about 3 weeks out from the move. I've got this mounted to the Jeep. Those go back to the chains to the axle. Haven't officially put it behind the truck yet and towed it, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I did order some of this netting because once I have the soft top on, I was hoping maybe I could, like, I don't know, mats, sunglasses, something up there. But the problem was is without the bar, it just hangs and hits my head because these seats are so high. So I'm going to change that out. But the others, I got this brilliant idea when I ordered that netting to put some on the old flated top. So I took the back window off and both side windows. The screen stayed in the side. And I pretty much just put some Velcro on the ends. Man, the Velcro sticks to everything. And then these kind of, that's all, there's the hook part. These just kind of hit the carpet when I shut the tailgate and it holds it down. Not real secure, but I think it looks kind of cool. So then I decided, I'm going to order 2 more. So this one's done. Again, the window's out just for summer. And I just, cut these to fit, put a little bit of Velcro on each one. And now I'm working on the last one here. And I'm trying to cut, I have the world's shittiest scissors. But once you cut this stuff, you definitely want to go over it with a flame. So basically I cut all 3, there was 3 straps that goes around your roll bar, cut those off on both sides. Then this I cut down a little bit because what I'll do is when I put the Velcro here, it goes up under there and then it leaves the bottom. God, can't do this with one hand. To attach here. And these are all under the rain flaps, front or top and side. So again, on this side, you can see that's why I cut the top off so that I could pull it up. I was going to let it hang down farther and maybe put some Velcro here, but I thought I just got it pieced here, but it's pretty, they're solid there and solid there, and those help hold it down. So the only thing I'm really doing is I'm using this stick-on Velcro that I got at Walmart. So I'm kind of just cutting it down the middle. But then once, okay, I guess that was the end of my 3 minutes on my Ray-Bans. Anyway, once I put it on, I bought this cool little thing. It's kind of like they stitch those tags on clothes. Or I guess your socks together. I bought some extra things, but you just shove that through and squeeze it, and I got the really small ones. I had to really hunt on Amazon to find these 1/4-inch ones. But then those, and I don't know if you can even see them because they're black, but I just shot one in each corner. Just, the sticky stuff holds them on pretty good, but I think I just thought this would add to this strength. So I did buy some extra D-rings here. I don't know if I'm going to glue these on the back window so that I can get this, not this, but the window itself more secure to the tailgate so it's a little more theft proof, but wanted to get these done and then I'll start that. I also got a dash mat for the truck today. It's out in the sun. I'm stretching out a bit, so I'll come back when I'm done with this and I'm done with that install. Okay, so here's the dash mat for the Jimmy. Oh, there is Velcro. Oh, it's all stuck in one spot, so I guess I have to figure out the best place for those. So it's been sitting out in the sun. I'm gonna come in here. I let that other piece of netting sit out in the sun for a minute because, Ziggy, stop. I keep forgetting if I have music on, YouTube won't let me post. So, how are these on there? Yeah, I get it. So like my tailgate, these just kind of stick. So I was wondering how that's going to go around my camera. I went with this beige because I thought it might match the kind of buckskin stuff in here, and I didn't want black because it'll just have white dog hair all over it. Yeah, this is the right one even for my truck. Oh, good. That should tuck behind. Oh, they did say some of them might have to like tuck, get a stick and tuck it down. I'm sure this is a great viewing angle for you guys. Sorry. Well, it's kind of, you know, I'm going to put this in here and then pull it out in the sun and let it kind of configure itself to the dash. No cutouts for the speakers, they said. I definitely don't want to cover. I think this needs to come this way a tad. Anyway, I might have to trim this because of this thing. But, like I said, I'm going to leave it sit in here for a fat minute and make sure it's all stretched out. And I will come back. Oh, I have to wipe off the whole dash too and everything so the Velcro will stick. Yeah, that's definitely going to need to be trimmed or something. All right, well, I'll come back when this is done.
Sorry.
Okay.
We expected it. In fact, we expected lots of screaming. We're amazed that you're doing good this far.
Clubber. No. Oops.
Okay, crib registered.
Hang on, Clubber. Hi. Good boy. You want to go get it again? Reg. Want to go get it again? Come here. Reg. Yeah. This way. Reg, come on. This way, buddy. Hey. Reggie. Reg. Reg. Oops, sorry. No, this way. This way. This way. This way. You can get up. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Come on, Reggie. Come here. Right here. Right here. Come on. No, this way. There you go. There you go. Go get it. Good boy. Did a good boy. He did so good. Yes, he did. He did so good. Did a good boy. He's a swimming boy today. Are you? Oh, swimming boy. Hi. Hi. Oh, nice doggy. Oh, nice doggy. Nice doggy. Hey, be nice. No, come here. Come here. Reggie. Stop. Oh, he's being a butt. But he was voted favorite dog by all the lifeguard boys. Go. Right there. Right there. Reg. It's right there, you doof. Go. Okay, over here. Come on, over here. Good boy. Good boy. Go. Good boy. Go. Oh God. This dog. He's got it down now. We came last year and didn't really bring him because we thought he'd be insane. And we were here when the big dogs were here, so it was like, I don't know, 5 times as many people and big dogs running everywhere. Oh, he's gonna be so exhausted. Good boy, Reg. He dropped the ball on himself and he can't decide what to do about it. Go get it, Reg. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get it. He might need a shove. He was just jumping in. Come here. Come here. Go get it. Come here. Come here, Reg. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now he doesn't want to go in. Go. Come on. Get your ball. Get your ball. Come here. Reg, come here. Come on. Do it. Get it. Get it. Oh, Reginald. Come here. Do you want some help? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay. Go get it. Right there. Over here. Reg, this way. No, no, no. Swim this way. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. We're back working on the Jeep. I did the tow test. Towed it behind the Jimmy. 65 miles an hour. It was just smooth as glass. I just followed the manual on how to flat tow, basically. Make sure it's out of 4-wheel drive. Drive it back and forth in 2-wheel drive for a minute. Put the manual in neutral. Then put the transfer case in neutral. Turn the key. It says to off position, but I basically means the position where it's not locked. And then put this in any gear, basically. Oh, hey, my horn works. That's all I did, and hooked it up, and it worked good. So now, in the time I was doing that, it stalled on me a couple of times, which I just changed the throttle position sensor, I believe that is. Yeah, this is the old one. Somewhere it had a name on it. Oh, idle air control valve. Sorry, maybe this is the throttle. Anyway, I've got all these sensors, so I'm gonna do the map sensor first. Clip already broke, so I'm gonna have to zip tie that back on. And I'm gonna pull off the throttle body and replace this. Like I said, that's new, or maybe it's this that I have. I'm not sure. And I also have this. These were all suggested to me by the YJ or Die Facebook group when I said, hey, it runs great, but every once in a while it just stalls for no reason. So we'll get working on that and see how it runs. I'm going to start it after each sensor. I'm going to start with the map, take that out, plug it back in, start it up, see how it does, and before I start pulling off all this stuff. Back in a bit. Okay, I got the map sensor replaced, and then I hope that's not split. I should replace all these hoses, anything that's rubber. Anyway, that clip broke, so I just did a little zip tie to make sure that doesn't vibrate off. I was going to start it, but not the vacuum lines are undone, so that's not really going to help me. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the throttle body off. Oh, I keep getting interrupted every 10 minutes because I'm selling my little utility trailer, and people are trying to lowball me. Whatever happened to the days when you wanted to buy something, you went and looked at it and then negotiated? You know, I had one guy say, what's the lowest you will take? And someone else offered me $850. It's a Big Bubba's trailer. It's a 5x10. It's a nice little trailer. I paid like $1,500 for it, and I was asking $13 because I've done some improvements to it. And tell me I'm not going to be able to get on that one. Maybe I need some kind of a... That's so weird. Why can't I get on that? I don't remember this happening with the Cherokee when I put the throttle body spacer on it. Alright, well I'm going to have to get a different tool to get down in there. Anyway, I'll come back when I get it off. Okay, so apparently I couldn't find one anyway, a new one. There's ones on eBay that look just as bad as this one. So the only way you can get a new one is if you do a if you have a 4.0. I have seen people put in a 4.0 in their 2.5, but I think, I watched the video again, I think you have to change this because it's different on the, I gotta clean this up some more, but I'm gonna bolt it back on. Yeah, and I can't get this off, so if that's the case, I'm kind of screwed there. Unless I order a used one, maybe I'd get some extra bolts, because I still don't have a bolt for right there. Went through all my little drawers. It's the closest I got, and it's too short. So I'm going to clean it up just a tad more, especially here for the gasket mounting. And then I'm going to go bolt it on. We'll see what happens. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, I got to replace that brake. Everything's back together. That's good news. I guess still idle and fast, but it should come down as it warms up. The other day I had it just about 800. Great, now my check engine light's on. I may have to reset the PCM. That came on when I did the throttle body on my XJ. I did a throttle body spacer and a cool air thing, and the engine light came on, and I had to reset the PCM because it was just getting different results. So I think I have a kill switch in there. Maybe I'll kill the battery and try it again in a little bit. Anyway, that's gonna do it for now. I may put more on this video, but I honestly don't know what else I'm gonna do other than play with Bigfoot and get ready to move. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.